Hey, Motorman here. Listen, I had somebody ask me in the comment section they'd like to see this from my point of view. So I have these camera glasses on. I'm going to run through the intersection. I'm going to do it on an Indian, by the way, and you're going to see it from exactly my point of view. We, of course, show you this on the Ride Like a Pro video. And I'm going to give you a special deal. I think I can only do this for a week, because in a week we'll be at it. If you'd like to get the Ride Like a Pro book for $20, we are overstocked on the Ride Like a Pro on your Indian video. We're going to send this to you free. Now, it's not going to come in this case because that costs us another $5 to ship it. So you can get the Ride Like a Pro on your Indian and the book for just $20, but you got to call 866-868-7433 from 9 in the morning till 9 at night Eastern Standard Time. Don't call me at 3 o'clock in the morning from Australia. Now, the difference between the Ride Like a Pro on your Indian, the techniques are exactly the same. We had a dealership that funded this video, and they just wanted to see Indians in it, but other than that, the techniques are the same. So you're going to get the Ride Like a Pro book and Ride Like a Pro video on your Indian for $20. You got to call to get the deal. It's not on the website. Now, I'm going to jump on the motorcycle, and I'm going to run through the intersection. You're going to be able to see it from both my point of view and from the view of the camera. All right, every motorcycle works the exact same way. Head and eyes, friction zone, a little bit of rear brake. I turn my head and eyes, and around comes the motorcycle. I find the next place I want to put that front tire, right at this green cone. Turn my head and eyes, and here it comes. Turn my head and eyes, I find the next spot right here. Turn my head and eyes in the friction zone, a little pressure on the rear brake, and that's all there is to it. Don't forget, I think we can only do this for 1 week. You're going to get the Ride Like a Pro book, and I'll even autograph it for you. And the Ride Like a Pro on your Indian video for just $20. It's like getting it free. Until next week.